This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
This program is brought to you by Sisig ng Ina Mo. For just 75 pesos, you can buy our crispy sisig meal with soft drinks and rice.
Meu caminho já trilhei, só me resta agora